Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Good morning. Have an awesome day. How are you? I'm your teacher of class playgroup. Our subject is maths, day 1 to 10. Our topic is shapes, concept of more, and recognition of numbers 0 to 10. Let's open the maths workbook, page number 12. Shapes. Today we will learn about circle. Find and trace the circles. Look at here. There is bicycle and the wheel shape is also like a circle. So you have to take any color and trace the circles. Then football, and then you have to do this one, and then last one you have to draw like this. You have to trace the dots. Very simple. And you have to learn which shape is like a circle. Look at your around and find the objects which have a circular face. Okay, very good. You have to do it same like this. After finishing your work, you have to say Alhamdulillah. Let's open the maths workbook, page number 14. Shapes. Square. Find and color the squares yellow. Oh, this is a clown, and there are many squares. First of all, you have to take yellow color and do the yellow color inside the squares. First of all, you have to make proper outline and do light color like this. Look at here. Take yellow color and draw outline, and then do light color inside it. Square. Now again do this one also. Make a dark outline and then do light color. Let's do it again. Outline and then light color inside it. Which shape is this? Square. Now my dear students, can you tell me how many big squares can you find in the picture? Big squares. Let's count. This one is big. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 squares. Let's write down here number 4. There are 4 big circles. Start from the dot, then sleeping line, and then standing line till the bottom. Number 4. My dear students, after finishing your work, you have to say Alhamdulillah. My dear students, let's open the maths workbook, page number 17. Today we will learn about concept of more. More means zyada. Color the box of the group that has more objects. Look at here. Which set is having more balloons? This one or this one? Yes, this one. So you have to color this box with color. First of all, you have to make dark outline and then do light color inside it. Now ice creams. There are 3 ice creams and there are 2 ice creams. Which set of ice cream is more than? Yes, this one is more than this one. That one. So you have to color inside the box, make a dark outline and then do light color, and then lollipops. Which lollipops are more than this one or that one? Yes, this one. So you have to color inside the box and do light color inside it. So Try it out at your home. Take a foot ruler, some erasers, and all must be of same size and weight. Sharpeners, and do this activity at your home and send me the videos. After finishing your work, you have to say Alhamdulillah. Let's open the maths workbook, page number 18. Recognition of number 6. Who is missing? What you need? Group of 6 children. What to do? Let's play a game for number 6. Dear parents, divide the children into groups. Each group must have 6 children. Now blindfold one student and ask one children to go out of the room. Open the blindfold and ask the children about the 6 children missing. After he guesses the name, call the children in and count with them the total number of children in the group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's write and recognize the number 6. Which number is this? Number 6. Start from the dot, make a curve and touch to the bottom, and then again curve. Which number is this? Number 6. Do it again. Start from the dot, draw a curve, stop, and then again curve. Which number is this? Number 6. You have to write number 6 till the end. After finishing your work, you have to say Alhamdulillah. Let's open the maths workbook, page number 19. Today we will recognize of number 7. My dear students, help your parents in arranging the books in the bookshelf. Arrange and count aloud. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 books. Did you enjoy organizing the shelf? Yes. Stick here. Students, does a neat and clean cupboard looks good or a dirty and messy one? Tell me, this one shelf is looking good or not? Yes, this one looking neat. So, tick on the neat box like this. Recognize and write number 7. Start from the dot, draw a sleeping line and then slanting line. Which number is this? Number 7. Let's do it again. Draw a sleeping line, then slanting line. Which number is this? Number 7. You have to write number 7 till the end. After finishing your work, you have to say Alhamdulillah. Kindly take out your maths workbook, page number 20. Today we will recognition of number 8. First of all, I will tell you the story. Zara always take care of her neighbors. The old woman in the neighborhood is very sick. Zara gave 8 apples to her. What will you do if your neighbor is sick? Oh, you have to look after your neighbors if they are sick. Let's recognize and write number 8. Which number is this? Number 8. Start from the dot, draw small circle and then big circle like this. Number 8. Which number is this? Number 8. Let's do it again. Half circle, then big circle. Which number is this? Number 8. You have to finish it till the end. After finishing your work, you have to say Alhamdulillah. My dear parents, kindly prepare the notebook for your child like this. First of all, you have to write here day 7. Write 0 to 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, you have to trace the dots and write here 0 to 5. Let's practice with me. Start from the dot, the curve, go back to the home. 0, Start from the dot, go down and write 1. Start from the dot, draw a curve, slanting line and sleeping line. Number 2. Start from the dot, draw a sleeping line, slanting line and curve. 3. After 3 you have to write number 4. Start from the dot, go down and draw a straight standing line in half of the box, then draw a sleeping line, and then you have to draw straight standing line till the bottom. Number 4. 5. Start from the dot, draw a sleeping line, standing line and curve. Which number is this? No, 5. You have to write till the bottom. After finishing your work you have to say Alhamdulillah. My dear students, let's open the maths workbook, page number 21. Today we will recognize the number 9. I will tell you the story of a very responsible boy. He packs his bag at night and puts all his things in his bag after completing his homework. Help him count the books and workbooks he will keep in his bag. So let's start the right. Number 9. Start from the top, make a curve and then standing straight line. 9. Do it again. Start from the dot, make a curve, then standing 9 till the bottom. Which number is this? Number 9. You have to write number 9 till the end. After finishing your work you have to say Alhamdulillah. Assalamu alaikum my dear parents. Kindly prepare the notebook for your child of day 9. Write 6 to 8. Number 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. So let's write on the dots. Start from the dot, make a curve, touch to the bottom and then again touch to the another curve. Number 6, 7. Start from the dot, draw a sleeping line, slanting line till the bottom. Which number is this? 7. Circle and then again circle. Which number is this? 8. 6, 7, 8. You have to write 6, 7, 8 till the bottom. After finishing your work you have to say Alhamdulillah. My dear students, let's open the maths workbook, page number 22. Today we will learn about patience. It is Sunday today. Hassan's father promised him to go for a picnic. They will go for a picnic at 10 o'clock in the morning. Hassan is looking at the clock and waiting for the small needle to come at number 10. Do you listen to your parents? Yes or no? Yes, so take care. It is your duty to obey your parents, okay? Now tell me one more question. Do you wait for the right time as told to you by your parents? Good. Tick on the yes. Now tell me. Circle number 10 on the clock. Circle number 10 on the clock. Which number is 10? This one? No. This one? No. Yes, this one. So, circle here on the number 10. Yes. Now recognize and write number 10. Which number is this? 1, 0, 10. 1, 0, 10. Start from the dot, Go down and draw a straight standing line 1. Then start from the dot, make a curve, touch to the bottom and then go back to the home. Which number is this? Number 10. Write it again. Start from the dot, draw a straight standing line till the bottom. Which number is this? 1. Start from the dot, make a curve, touch to the bottom and then go back to the home. Which number is this? 0. 1 0 10. 1 0 10. Which number is this? 10. You have to write number 10 till the bottom. After finishing your work, you have to say Alhamdulillah. Allah Hafiz. Take care.